Hey everyone, it's me again. So basically, I've been asked to talk about aliens, and I'm just gonna tell you that I know that they are real because they have abducted me before, and what they did was they parked their big spaceship right over my house in my neighborhood, and they woke me up from my sleep with some flashing lights through my window, and I got out of bed and looked through the blinds to see what it was, and as soon as I looked up, I saw their giant spacecraft, and the light blinded me. And at that point, that's when they abducted me and then put me back in right where I was, without me knowing how much time had gone, and they probably did experiments on my brain. I don't remember any of that, but I do remember being turned around and walked back to my bed and laid back down after all of that, and the TV turned itself on, and there's a news reporter lady who told me very calmly that as soon as I wake up the next day, I would think that it was just a dream. And so that's how I know. I couldn't have made that up, so that's how I know with certainty that aliens are absolutely real, because they have taken me before. Alright.